Welcome to Nifty Trade Setup channel. So we'll discuss what happened in the market today and what can we expect tomorrow. So let's see, as usual, the see Nifty, what happened, what we discussed, and what is expected. So if it is above 21 920, if we said if you market gap up opens, we'll wait for the dip and then reversal. So market exactly did the same thing. It came down after gap up, and then it gave a reversal here, and I took entry here, but it immediately came and hit the SL. So for me, trade is over, but it continued to go and give the target of 90 points roughly actually. From your second entry, I did not try because it was like not expected to have a SL hit and then going up. So I did not take it second trade. But from here, second entry would have been here, which is 90 points, which gave the market. So it was, if somebody was holding it, good. I mean, market is going to continue tomorrow also. Let's discuss what we can expect tomorrow market, right? So market, if you look at it at 30 minutes, our day, it's like now almost broken this channel that it was there for some time, right? Or at least for 2 weeks it was in the channel, so it has now given a breakout. So the simple thing is, if it breaks again the top, right? If it is breaking again above 21,953 above, we can expect, if it is a good gap up, wait for a dip and then reversal, and market will definitely go up. So that is the first trade. And sell opportunity, I'm seeing only below this point actually. So below this 21,792 only I'm seeing a sell scenario. Otherwise, even if it is giving anything upside only, we can go for it. Otherwise, two scenarios: one above this one, we can look for buy scenario, or anywhere, even if it here in this range mode also, it is expected to go up only unless it breaks this 21,793.94. We can expect market going down. Otherwise, market is expected to move on the higher side. So that is what two scenarios we have it for Nifty. And let's look at what we discussed for Bank Nifty and what is expected. So it was clear, like it was expected, small gap up, and then came for a dip and then reversal here, and market went and gave 300 points target. So it was a very clean trade. Even if you had waited for this trend line to break, it also good enough, which gave 300 points at the any time, right? It gave 300 points of target. So that was for Bank Nifty. And what can we expect from market tomorrow? So still this triangle breakout is still valid, and then we have a target pending over till here. So if there is a gap up and wait for a dip and then go for reversal, or first, if it is first candle green, we can go for it if you are aggressive trader, or wait for the dip for the kind of a retracement trader, wait for the dip and reversal for the target. This definitely, this target is it has to go tomorrow, and probably if we can hold it, maximum it can go up to this one. So tomorrow, this is the first target we are expecting: 46,576 or 46,600 is first target, and second target is 100 points more. So this is what I could see it tomorrow for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, I'm not looking for any sales tomorrow. Reliance, I think if you look at it 30 minutes, we discussed yesterday about this, what we discussed about this, what do you say, this wedge, actually, wedge formation. The probability was only above only we were looking for buy scenario. Otherwise, market gave a dip only. So it came and bottom, it has come to the bottom of this one. So it's pretty simple. Like if I will draw this line, right? So if market is breaking this line, 5 minutes thing, if it breaks this 5 minutes, probably we can go for long, and we can expect 20 points. If it is a gap up near and not able to close above and gives a rejection, go for sell. We can expect again coming down to 20 points down. And if it is below this 2933, if market comes down below, break this one, we can expect market coming down for 20 points. So these are the three scenarios for lens. If it is flat, breaking this trend line, go for long, 20 points. If it is a gap up, not able to break this high, getting a rejection, go for sell, it will come down. And if it is gap down or below this 2932, go for sell, and we can expect market coming down from 20 points. So these are the three scenarios or four scenarios we have it for lines. Nifty and Bank Nifty are pretty simple. Only buy scenarios majorly. We don't have a sell scenario tomorrow, but Reliance we have to plan for this sell scenario also. Hope you are able to follow this analysis and then see the value of it. You can like this video and then subscribe to this channel if you're not done so. Thanks for watching this video.